I don't know why I ended the past video because I still have a lot of things to talk about. The thing is, when I'm talking about the things, I kind of forget. Like, see, even right now, I forget why I started this video. Like, I had a few things to say. So yeah, so I went to the salon, right, and I asked him to cut the hair to 1 inch so that so that 1 inch of my hair so that the split ends would be cut with that 1 inch. But the way he blow dried my hair, the way he straightened it, it's like उससे ही मेरे को और split ends हो गया था. I feel like, and then after the cut was complete, after the haircut was complete, I asked him कि दादा यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा है split ends है, मैं आपको बोला था कि split ends कट करने का. And then he was like कि मैं वैसे की हूँ, आपने जैसे बोला है, आपने बोला कि 1 इंच कट करने का, तो मैं 1 इंच कट की थी. दादा आप जिस तरीके में आप ब्लो ड्राई कर रहे हो ना, इससे मेरे को स्प्लिट एंड्स हो गया था. एंड देन उसके बाद पूरा हेयर स्ट्रेटन करने के बाद ही कट माई हेयर अगेन. ओके, ही कट द स्प्लिट एंड्स. एंड देन उसके बाद भी रह गया था. एंड आई पेड द बिल एंड आई केम बैक एंड आई वाज लाइक आप कट कर दो इसको. एंड देन इतना छोटा हो गया, लाइक बहुत, लाइक माई हेयर वॉज अप अंटिल लाइक आई थिंक दिस लेंथ, लाइक अप अंटिल एक और एक मतलब कि लॉन्गर दैन दिस, 3 inches longer than this. And the way he cut it, it's like it becomes so short. But anyways, I think it's for my own, I want to believe even when things are not working out, it's working out. Like I have to because it is the only fucking way. And the other thing, okay, so the thing is, if I can start breathing properly, most of my problems would disappear. Like like my back pain would disappear, my neck pain would disappear, my digestion problems would disappear, my skin problems would disappear, my mental health problems would disappear. Somebody teach me how to breathe properly, like take deep breaths. The thing is, I take very shallow and small breaths. uh, so it's like my chest is always beating up and down, like so fast, like my heart is beating up and down so fast, and it's like you can see it कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा fast breathing कर रही हूँ, which is not really good for my body because my body isn't getting the oxygen it needs. So yeah, if I can just fix it, and every of my health problem is like only pointing to that thing कि मेरे को meditation करनी है, मेरे को थोड़ा relax होनी है life में. But हम कहाँ सुनते हैं? because bro who sits meditation कौन करेगा भाई? Apparently मैं करूँगी. मैं मैं and okay, so the last month I made a list of non-negotiable things, so that daily non-negotiable things, so that I can take them off at the end of the day, every day. And उसमें लिखी थी कि 10 minute meditation. And I started that list maybe on 16th or 13th September, I guess, last month, right? So उस दिन से I made a new list also. उस दिन से मैं आज तक एक भी बार मेडिटेशन नहीं की है 10 मिनट का. लाइक ट्राई टू टेक अ फ्यू डीप ब्रेथ्स, बट 10 मिनट का मेडिटेशन मेरे से कभी नहीं हो पाई क्योंकि आई ट्राई टू सेट, ओके, बट इट्स लाइक either I don't have the mental capacity to concentrate on my breath, or like when I'm breathing it's not working. Like I'm not able to take deep breaths. Like there's this thing, like there is like vertical breathing and horizontal breathing. This is vertical and this is horizontal. And अभी मैं कर ली, बट कभी कभी मेरे से नहीं हो पाता है. Like when I'm lying down on bed, like they say कि it's better to do it before going to sleep. It's better to do some breath work before going to sleep. But when I'm lying on the bed, मेरे से ऑक्सीजन नहीं निकल पाता. Like I can't take deep breaths. So yeah, and I want to eat something nice right now, but I don't have any options in my mind. Like I don't really have any options in my mind. But I wish I could eat some good food. एक दीदी थी जो खाना बनाती थी वो like she used to send food from her house, like homemade food. I'm kind of she stopped delivering for a few days, but I'm kind of missing it. एंड ईटेड उसका पनीर बटर मसाला बहुत अच्छा भाई एंड तब से मैं पनीर बटर मसाला का बहुत फैन बन गया हूँ. पहले मैं पनीर मैं इसको थिंक कि भाई पनीर कौन खाता है यार. अब भी मेरे को खाना है एंड मैं मुझे बटर का बहुत शौक बन गया यार. लाइक पहले पहले आई यूज टू हेट ब्रेड. ओके लाइक मेरे को ब्रेड बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था क्योंकि घर पे ना जब भी बीमारी होती है दैट टाइम दे लाइक कि they used to tell me to eat bread with milk, but मेरे को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है ब्रेड. And it was until a few months back, and when I discovered that when you toast bread in butter it tastes and smells fucking amazing, and especially when you put a half fried egg on that toasted bread and sprinkle some salt and pepper. Jannat bhai, jannat. And the other day when I went to Kolkata, I discovered I went to this Ashland restaurant and they had nice butter chicken. It was so fucking delicious. They served it. I ordered it with a lacha paratha. It was like the best, best, best roti curry I have ever had. And yeah, and this butter paneer also. When I went to Banaras, I also वहाँ पे भी मैंने बटर पनीर खाई है बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा था. So yeah. Okay, so the other day, yesterday only, not the other day. I think yesterday only, or day before yesterday, I posted a video, but I posted it unlisted because I didn't because 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 ऐसे कुछ things that I didn't really wanna. I was kind of scared because if what if some other I don't know. I have my reasons. I am not going to tell those reasons. So yeah, I posted it, but I looked and after I watched it in the evening, I looked too pretty in that video to not post it like publicly. So now I've made it public. Anyways, Abhi, I'll try to get some work done because Abhi, I feel like I'm feeling a bit better. And I'll order some food. I'll order. I have no idea, no clue what to order. This is the thing, bro. When कि Zomato में ऐसा नहीं कि see you have the privilege to get the food delivered to your door, but the thing is now you have to choose कि इतने सारे options है क्या choose करें. But if it is any other place, it would have been valid. It would have been worth it to spend all that time scrolling Zomato or Swiggy. But here, there is no point because यहाँ पे there is no good options. And it's like not worth it, man. भाई बाकी जगह पे खाना इतना सस्ता में इतना अच्छा खाना मिलता है. यहाँ पे even if you spend money, you can't get decent food. I don't know what's wrong with the people here or what is wrong in general. लाइक यहाँ पे खाना क्यों नहीं मिलता है अच्छी खासा खाना भाई. मतलब बाकी लोगों का अच्छा खाना नहीं खाना है क्या. जो लोग बनाते हैं उन लोगों का अच्छा खाना नहीं खाना है क्या. पता नहीं. एनीवेज हैव अ गुड डे.